Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you're doing well, and I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below for my channel. I would appreciate it. Today, we have a very special unboxing. It is the new Kaleidos palette, and it comes in a fancy PR box, and it is the Club Nebula palette. And look at this, it's so beautiful, the presentation. And this is just how it came. It just came with this great box, which is going to be good for a lot of stuff. It's beautiful packaging. And this is a collab with Kaleidos and Angelica Nyqvist. I'm sure I said her last name wrong because she's like Swedish or Norwegian or something like that. I'm sorry, I don't know for sure. So if I have offended the Swedish or Norwegian community, I do apologize in advance. And this palette is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It is stunning. 15 colors. Lots of amazing shimmers. I'm about to swatch it all for you right now. So the first color is Firefly. The second is 7 of 9. The third is Gravity. Then it's Queen of Blades. And then Void. So there's the first 5. Trying not to get any on my fancy new peasant shirt, which I'm so excited for. I love peasant shirts. Literally in my top 5 kind of shirts ever. Next is You're My Only Hope. Neru, Astro, Rockhopper, and Cylon. Lots of science fiction-y kind of names. Look at that. Very cool. And the last row is Celestial, Nova, Samus, Nebula, and Red Giant. And the shimmers in here are otherworldly. Look at that. It's just a gorgeous palette, and I can't wait to put it on my face, which we're about to do in about 2 seconds. 2 seconds to paradise. No, it's 2 tickets to paradise. Pack my bags and we'll leave tonight. Oh, it's so exciting. Let's see, find the right brushes that I want to use. We will start in the crease with Naru. Ooh. This would be a great brow color. And it's smooth as silk. Very pigmented. And that's all with just one little swipe. There's a tiny bit of kick up in the pan. But this is a beautiful way to start off this look. Next up, use a Sonia G brush. Ooh, where to go? Where to go? I think I'm going to go into Rockhopper and put this on the outside corner. It is a dark plum. It'd be great to make a bruise with. I don't mean that in a bad way. If you're doing like special effects makeup and you needed a bruise, that would be a great color. And it just blends out so easily. It's wonderful. And I'm going to get my blending brush and do just that. Blend it out. There's a little fallout on my cheek, but this looks really cool for a dark start. Now I'm going to have to bring some color into this. And I'm feeling that green there in the top center. I think I'm going to go for that. Bam! I've been doing a lot of purple and greens lately. They just work so well together. Especially with a sci-fi kind of palette like this. Oh, it's a nice pop of color. Under the brow, I think I'm going to go with Nova. It's a very shimmery light color. With a purple reflect. Oh, wow. I'm just going to barely tap a little on. That looks crazy. That really wakes everything up. It's a shame you can't see the way I see it. It shows up as a shift of lavender for me. That looks insane. Let's blend that out. The blending brush. That's chilling it out quite a bit. That's much nicer. It was looking so electric. That's very interesting looking. Now I'm going to go into this firefly color. That's a beautiful green shimmer. But it's also very electric. I've got so much fallout on my shirt. I need something to go right here. I think I'm going to go into a lavender shimmer. And just take that on the edge of that darker color, which was Rock Hopper. Oh, that's much nicer. Just look at the shimmer. It's so crazy good. Wow. Well, I think this just needs some mascara and eyeliner. And the eyeliner today will be the Stila Stay All Day. Oh, that's much nicer. I'm going to use some Marc Jacobs mascara. I think a neutral, because there's so much going on right here. I think I'm going to go with, oh, not skin tight. Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star. There we go, a really interesting look with today's brand new palette, the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette, and I'm super glad to have it, and I hope you've enjoyed watching me put a look together with it. Have a great day or day of your choice.